What's up, everybody? Going on a quick little ride. I'm gonna try to get some top speeds in this video. It's kind of cold, still pretty rainy, although it's dry right now, but we'll see what we can get done. So I'm in first gear, single motor. And we're hitting about 15 and a half miles per hour on a slight downslope. We're on 100% battery. Just take it up. Gear 2, single motor. We're on a incline now, so we're at about 18 miles per hour. Let's try to hit this trail over here. See what we can get. It's a little windy too, so that's going to have some effect on our speeds. All right, so let's see here. Let's get up to, or back down to second. See what we can get. And here we go. 3, 2, 1. Single motor, second gear. Pretty flat surface. 17 miles per hour. 18. Got up to 19. Thanks, guys. Let's go up to third gear. Much more stronger. 23. 24. Let's try to get straight here. This is going uphill. I did see 24 on the speedo. That was on a little downhill slope, and we still staying in the 24 range, so we'll call third gear 24. Let's swap up to fourth gear, see how that goes. Gotta find some flat area, flat as possible. It's chilly out here. We're on a really steep incline here. Single motor, 19 miles an hour. Doesn't feel like it's struggling too bad at all, really. How you doing? All right, here we go. Got a nice straightaway, some flat surface. 25, 26, 27, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Not too bad, not too bad. Now we're going downhill, so we'll call single motor, 4th gear, 34 miles per hour. And then it started to go downhill, the street that is. So not too bad. Here's a nice flat straightaway street. And we'll go up to 5th mode. 5th is the final gear. 5th mode, 5th gear. That's the final gear. There is no sport mode on this model, unfortunately. Like the higher GTs and GTRs. So here we go. 5th gear, single motor. Let's see what we get. Gotta slow down. There's a car turning. Cars get the right of way, I think. I'm not sure. I almost got taken out the other day. The exact same thing. I'm in the bike lane and a car turns into a 7-Eleven and almost wiped me out. I locked up the back brakes. Thank God I have good balance and been on sport bikes since 18 years old, so I kind of knew how to maneuver a little bit. And being a wrestler my whole life, pretty much just an athlete my whole life, I got pretty good balance with my body, so that definitely helped. So let's try this again. Let's see if we can get it in on this street here. Across the street, it's flat. All right, here we go. Got 31, 32, 33, 35, 36, and it went back down to 35. So we'll call it 36. 5th gear, single motor. Dual motor is a lot more fun, a lot more torque. You get up to those speeds a lot faster. fine. I'll just go back that same way, actually. And we'll switch into dual motor. Drop our gear back down to 1. And the top speeds are probably going to be the same. The only difference will probably be the amount of time it takes to get to said top speed. All right, let's cross the street. And it's pretty flat and pretty straight for a good ways, so we'll see what we get. Start over here. More room, the better. Okay. Dual motor, first gear. And here we go. So yep, about 15 and a half. Second gear. 17, 18. Yeah, 18. Third gear. Oh yeah. That's when you start to feel it. 24, 25. 25. Fourth gear. Woo, there we go. 32. 33. It starts going uphill pretty steep, so 34. Whew. A lot more torquey. Oh, yep. Woo. A lot more fun. Let's see here. And dual motor, fifth gear. This should be fun. Oh yeah. Sick. So we'll start back over here again, across the street. So this scooter says it tops out max speed 44 miles per hour. Woo! Here we go. 34, 35, 36. 42, 43, 44, and it was keep going. Feels like it's got a little bit more in there. But then again, who knows how accurate this speedometer is. Keeping up with traffic very easily. That was cool. That was fun. That front tire just wants to peel out and break loose. Ugh. Oh yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeah, this thing's a blast. See if we can get past 44 miles per hour. Like I said, it definitely felt like it had more in it, even after hitting 44 on the speedo. So we'll see what we can get. All right, here we go. $43, $44, $45. $46. $46.9. That is really cool. Seen it just hit 48, but that's when we started to go downhill. This thing is fast. That's awesome that it went past its marketed top speed of 44. So the only thing is seeing how accurate that was. I do have a draggy that I use for my car, so I'll have to get that paired up and see how accurate this scooter speedo is. I'm pretty sure it's going to be a couple miles per hour off, just like they always are. I wish there was an area with better straightaways around the way here.